Hi, this is Anoop for anmStudio. In this video, I will show you one solution for creating YouTube channel art, YouTube channel logo, YouTube thumbnail. Yes, by using this simple method, you can create these one by a single solution. So stay tuned. For this, creating this channel art and channel icon and channel thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, you need to go to a website called Pansort. So the Pansort website look like this, and just click the background option right here. And this is your work area, and you can see here select the new project and go to the basics right here, and you can see the three options: YouTube channel art, channel icon, and YouTube video thumbnail. I told you earlier, just one solution for creating these one at a single time. So that's it. You can select any one which you like to create, just select that. You can see the website is automatically adjusting to that size. So to select which is your required, I selecting thumbnail for your study purpose. You can select the background color if you need anything you need, select in black. Suppose if you need any picture as a background, go to this layer, just click add layer option. There's a option called image. Then you can add any image right here for a background. I'll show you. Now you can see the images right down there. Then after putting text, click the add layer option right here. Then say click the text option right here. And just click the background, or you can edit whatever you need right here. I'm writing here as anmStudio. Then you can select whatever the font you want. Selecting this one. Just drag it this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, adjusting it. Anything you want. Another text you need, just click the text. Just click the background, or then how to create thumbnail. Select font like that, the color what you need right here, the red, choose, I'm selecting this one, red. Okay, choose. You can adjust the gradient angle by changing this one. Okay, if you want a rotation or something, you can just correct there. Or after that, you can how to add some logo right here. Just go to add layer, then select image, and just click the logo like this one. And you can just click the image right here and reshape that one. You can reshape that one to your desired shape, how much you required. Input right here, for example. After that, for saving, just click the download button right here, then select the format which you want. I'm selecting JPG and just click start image render. It will take maximum 1 to 2 minutes for render your picture. We can wait for 1 minute. Now it's completed. Just click your download image option right here. You can see your image is downloaded. Now you can see your YouTube thumbnail are ready. So by using this method, you can create your YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail, and YouTube channel logo by simple one way. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment box, and if you like this video, please thumbs it up. Also, please support me by subscribing to my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. I am your Anoop. I am signing off.